concentrating, now you got it wrong. No. Concentrating, now you got it wrong. Yeah, I'm pressing buttons, dropping pins on positions, cause my words go far and this rain is